Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa's not a financial planner. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Murphy's all excited. He's seen something outside. Okay, so we're in the 15-minute chart. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is a buying opportunity. Big time buying opportunity. And I'm going to go through here real shortly why you're going to see 7,200 in your near future. Soon. $7,200. And why does Grandpa think that? But first, if you're got some gunpowder left, 381, 382 is bottoming us out. Okay, currently, and we could be off to the races again already. But if you get an opportunity in that 381, 382, even 383 area, I think you want to jump on it. Get yourself a few more shares if possible, because 7,200, in Grandpa's opinion, is on its way. Remember, trading is reactive, not predictive. And but Grandpa is forecasting $7,200 in less than 2 years. Okay, I'm going to show that to you. Why I think that. I have to get it to the right chart. We're going to go to the monthly chart here. This is the monthly chart. Each candle is 1 month, okay? Now, if you go back down here where Tesla was 18 bucks, 20 bucks a share, okay? And it went all the way up to 414.50, the all-time high of Tesla. And we've just about reached that number already. But if you calculate that out, it's 20 times the amount, approximately, depending on where you started out at. But it's approximately 20 times the amount, okay, from this base price down here. Well, Grandpa figures the reset is at the $400 range right now. This is your new $20. In other words, here was your starting point down at $20 before, $17, $18, $20. Now it's $400. Okay, this is your new starting point in time. Wouldn't you have liked to got shares at $20 in Tesla? Okay, wouldn't that have been wonderful? Well, what Grandpa's telling you is wonderful right now is 400 bucks. We're well under $400 right now. This is your new starting point. If you take 20 times 400, you're going to end up right around $7,200. This is what Tesla is going to do for you. When we get to 7,200, I expect fluctuation back, maybe 500 bucks, maybe 100. Who knows? Tesla's, and you can anticipate Tesla moving up and down as it goes up there. $50, $100 will become commonplace. 50 will become very common in your future as this thing climbs back and forth. So, don't jump off the cliff when you see a $50 bounce down or a 20 or a 30. You just think of it as a buying opportunity. And wait for your 7,200. So I'll reiterate what I just got done talking about. Down here around the $20 range, okay, where Tesla took and did its run, it went up 20 times that price. to get up to the 414. Here's your new starting point right up here at 400. This is your new starting point. Multiply it times 20. And according to Grandpa, it's going to be right, I could be off by a little bit. It might be 7,200. It might be 7,700. But it's only a forecast by Grandpa. But it's what I see coming. Now, 72 or 77 isn't going to top us out by no means, because you're going to see 10,000, and you're going to see more than that in Grandpa's opinion. But I'm talking within. It took 20 months, under 2 years. It took 20 months to get from here at $20 to 414. In less than 2 years, 20 months, up to 414.50. And in 20 months from now, it'll go 20 times the amount again. It's very capable of doing this, because the movements are going to be larger now than they were in the past as it gets higher. So yeah, 7,200 in Grandpa's opinion is conservative. Grandpa, it's not very often that Grandpa's conservative, but right now I'm trying to be conservative. I'm leaning towards 7,700, but 7,200 I'm being conservative. And I think we'll get some bounces back and forth. You're going to have some golden opportunities going back and forth in this stock on the way up. And speaking of on the way up, it's going up right now. We're already back up to the 386 area. And like I say, if you can snag some shares down in the, I'll go back to the 15-minute chart here. If you can snag some shares in the 381, 383 area, you're golden in Grandpa's opinion. Just hang on. Don't jump off the cliff. We're searching for a new top pivot point, and until we get it, this thing is just going to keep going up. Now, Grandpa's opinion is that 430, 435 is going to be very likely our new top pivot point, but it's only Grandpa's opinion. 404.80 is possible, but I just don't think it's our top pivot point. Our bottom pivot point is 302 right here. Or no, that's not it. Where is 302? I got to get on a different chart to even find it. Hang on a second. Still got to get on a different chart. I'll find it. Don't worry. Here it is right here. This is the 4-hour chart. 302 down here. And I even think we're going to see that opportunity maybe over the next year, where we'll do a dip down there real quick. They'll pull the plug on all the longs and they'll panic them. So that's a real possibility. Okay, but for right now, I think this 367, our previous high pivot point, is going to hold us. And you take this 302 to 367, we got $65 up on between those pivot points. So if you add 65 to 367, let's see, 370 and 65, you're right around that 335, 337 is very realistic for your top pivot point. The dominant trend is up. We have a buy signal in the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Let Grandpa show you it. Here's your daily. Okay. Zoom up. Here's your weekly somewhere. It's absolutely beautiful. The smaller time frames can be a little scary, but here's your 367 mark. I mean, there's a chance we could get down around that 372, 370. Anything is possible with Tesla. It'd be just the hugest opportunity to get more shares, in Grandpa's opinion. So get on the bus, be patient, let this thing work. $7,200 is coming your way. Let's look at the monthly again quickly. Look at this beautiful buy signal right here. And so you got the big red candle here, the body of it. The body of the next one's engulfed into it, followed by a green candle. There's your buy signal in the monthly. Don't we all wish we would have went with that? You would have bought your shares at 183. All of them. 183, 184. Had you been playing the monthly chart. I wish Grandpa was playing the monthly chart. I messed up. I do have shares down at 193. I got shares everywhere. Grandpa's got shares everywhere. But right now, Grandma is trying to buy at 381. She's got her next buy that she's got in is at 381. And we're hoping that we get a dip down there again so she can get some more shares. But regardless, hang on to your shares because 7,200 is coming. I'd love to show you 7,200 on this chart or any chart, but it don't go up that high yet. But it will in your future. Okay. Yeah, Tesla. What a fun time. What a fun time. Okay. I think, like I say, we're searching for our new top pivot point, and it's going to keep going up till we get it. 435, 437 is potentially where it could be. It might go all the way to 500 before we get that top pivot point. I just don't know yet. And dominant trend is absolutely up. The dominant trend is currently up, up, up. It's a buying opportunity. You've got Optimus. It's going to be bigger than everything else that Tesla combined. Tesla a few weeks back had a new top market cap of $1 trillion. Well, a day or so back here, I was watching a report and they were saying that it's now $2.2 trillion. 2.2. Tesla's market cap has jumped $1 million in the last few weeks. Over $1 million. 2.2 trillion is Tesla's new top market cap. And that's how fast this thing can go in just a week. Yeah, there's just, you've got the battery storage. They're building the new battery storage plant, and she's going to be a wild one. Okay, well, think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. See you later. Bye-bye.